Hi, my name is Rasan Nguyen, and this is my complete Hot Toys collection. First, starting off, this is the non-Beskar Mandalorian, which is the third Hot Toy I ever got. Right here, next, this is the deluxe Beskar Mandalorian with Baby Yoda Grogu. Mandalorian, who's my favorite Star Wars character. Behind them, I have a Star Wars art print with Darth Vader, Boba Fett, and Stormtroopers. Below, this is my DC collection, starting out with Two-Face from The Dark Knight. This is a Tour Fair 2019 exclusive, holding his gun and a cup of liquor in his hand. Next, I have the tactical suit Batman from Justice League with a Detective Comics art print with Batman and Robin behind him. Next, this is the regular suit Justice League Standard Edition of Batman. I have two Ben Affleck's Batman because he's my favorite Batman, holding his grappling gun. Next, I have the Justice League Superman with an Action Comics number 36 behind him. Henry Cavill is my favorite Superman. Next to him, I have Jor-El, Superman's dad, holding a gun in his hand, which I got from a comic book shop from Man of Steel. Behind him is a Justice League art print. And that is my entire DC collection. Down below them, starting off from my Marvel collection, is my Captain America section with two art prints behind the figures. First, starting off, this is the Spangled Man Captain America from the first Avenger. Next, I have the Age of Ultron Captain America with the magnetic shield. This is the only figure I have on a stand because he won't stand up because the shield is so heavy. Next, I have the Stealth Suit Captain America with the Stealth Shield. I got all three of these from Akari. That's my whole Captain America section. Next, I have the Hawkeye from Age of Ultron. Next, this is my favorite Iron Man suit. This is the Iron Man Mark 7 diecast from the first Avengers movie. I have the battle damage pieces on right now. He also comes with the clean parts. This is my only Sideshow piece, which is the Magneto from Sideshow, with his mask portrait. He also comes with an unmasked portrait. Next, I have a custom Peter Parker that comes with a hoodie, a shirt, and a NASA shirt, and Nike Air Maxes. This is the Infinity War hair sculpt by Hot Toys. Next, I have the Peter Parker Spider-Man homemade suit with the drone from Far From Home. With a Spider-Man art print behind both of them. I also have a few statues first. This is the Deadpool Walmart exclusive statue from PVC Gallery. Captain America from Sideshow, Avengers Assemble line, 1/5 scale. Behind it, the Marvel Legends Captain America shield. Right here, lastly, after Dark Knight Returns, Batman from Tweeterhead. And I have a Marvel art print behind that.